Hello everyone, welcome back to Traffic Turbo channel. Today I'm gonna show you 8 best alternative to Redbubble. A lot of people are thinking about just quit their print-on-demand business on Redbubble and try to figure out another websites. So I'm gonna show you 8 another alternatives. Maybe you know some of them, maybe you not know about them. And at the end of this video, I'm gonna show you a simple trick, one website you can use to transfer all your design from Redbubble directly to all or most of these websites. So stay tuned for the end of this video. It's gonna be a very big surprise for you and a very good little trick with a little secret website that I'm gonna share with you guys that can you export all your designs to a lot or most of the other websites in only one click, and that's really crazy and really amazing. Let's get started. So first of all, the first one is Etsy. With Etsy you can also upload your designs, but you have to pay per listing around 20 cents. So it will cost you per listing, so it's a little bit not just for free, but it's also very good and have a lot of audience, even more than Redbubble. It's a huge website, and you can integrate more with Printful or with Printify. So you have this option and you can just compete with them. You can make also advertisement, and it's a very good solution to go now and to start make your account on Etsy. They have a lot of audience and larger number of audience than Redbubble, so I recommend you to go for Etsy. The second one, which is Spreadshirt, and the best thing about Spreadshirt that you can also create your personalized shop or your unique shop. So if you have a logo or something like that, you can put on your personalized shop. And if you want like a general market store like Redbubble, you can also open a Spreadshirt. So I really recommend you Spreadshirt. I see a lot of people on YouTube and a lot of people, some friends that I know, they make a lot of success with Spreadshirt more than Redbubble. So yeah, I recommend you nowadays to just go for it, Spreadshirt, and try it and give it a try. It's really easy and very nice to work with Spreadshirt. So the third one is TeePublic. Of course, TeePublic, yeah, it's like the company that owned by Redbubble, but at the same time they have a different taste of audience. And when I will show you the websites, it will be easier for you just to transfer your Redbubble design to TeePublic. And I saw also a lot of people, they have a very good TeePublic stores, and the competition here is I think is a little bit lower than Redbubble and not a lot of spammy like Redbubble. So I think you can also open a shop on TeePublic if you are not already. So the next one, which is Zzzle. Zzzle is also really crazy and really nice about the stickers, and you know, this kind of like masks and stickers. I think they sell so well, especially stickers on that Zzzle. So if you have a very good stickers design, I think you have to focus on Zzzle more, because you're gonna have a lot of sales. Okay, the next one, which is Society6, and in Society6 also I think they care more than Redbubble about the customer service. And really here the design you will find, it's very amazing design, and all design are high quality. So if you are a very good designer, I recommend you to go for Society6, because you will find only no spammers, a lot of high quality only designs. And I think there are some customers who are willing to pay more for Society6 just because of the quality. So yeah, if you are a very good designer, I recommend you to go for Society6. And the next one, which is underestimated, which is Threadless. And me myself, I see some progress in Threadless over time, so I recommend you to try Threadless. Why not, guys? It's like, yeah, not the same popularity like Redbubble or other print-on-demand websites, but I think it's worth to give a try to Threadless. It's a very nice and very easy website to deal with. Threadless, yeah, I think it's very easy also to upload. So yeah, give it a try, guys. So the last but not least is Fine Art America. I know that a lot of people know Fine Art America, but also it's underestimated like Threadless. So yeah, why not, guys? You can just go and upload your designs on Fine Art America, and let's see, maybe you will have some sales. And the last one, which is Cafe Press. Actually, I don't have any experience about Cafe Press. For me it's new, but I just found it and I wanted to just share with you guys. If someone have any experience with Cafe Press, please tell me. I would like to know your experience. Is it good? Is it bad? I didn't search a lot about Cafe Press, but I wanted just to share with you. Maybe it's another alternative for all of us. Yeah. So yeah, now we are reaching the juicy part of the video. which is how to transfer all your designs like directly from Redbubble and export it and go to any other websites and just go in one click. And this website's called Podlify, PODLIFY.com. And this website is crazy. It's like, wow, I used it, yeah, and I wanted to test it before I tell you guys, and really it's amazing. Look, you can use it for Redbubble, Society6, Teespring, TeePublic, Threadless, Spreadshirt, okay? And a lot of other marketplaces are coming soon. So what can you do? It's very easy. What can you do? It's you just go for Redbubble, okay? And just press one button here and take all your design in one click, only one click from Redbubble, okay? And you will see that all the like it's automatic uploader, all the designs will go directly to this website, and you can just transfer all these designs to all the other website freely. And let's see the price. Let's see the price, guys. It's for free forever. It's crazy amazing, but to be honest, they are just limited right now, 20 published per day, so you can just export all your design from Redbubble, take all your design and put it on this website, import all your design to Redbubble, and then you can, after that, you can just publish 20 designs per day to any of these websites like Redbubble, Society6, Public, and more. But if you want this set, you can contact them if you want to publish more. So it's for free. You don't have any. It's a free for charge, but it's limited to 20 per day. So I just do that. I just do like I make 100 per day, but I make like queued like 20 per day. So if you want to make like more publishing, you have just to contact them. I recommend you guys to try this website. I really tried it. It's for free. It's amazing. I just import all my design portfolio on Redbubble. I have more than like 1,000 design or something. And in one click, it was all over Podlify. And then every day I tried. First, I started to public and I almost finished. So I finished to share all my designs from Redbubble without even upload them again from Excel. You know, it's directly everything with the tags, with the titles, with the description, everything, and it will be just go to the other websites. I finished TeePublic already, and now I'm using 10 to Society6 and 10 to Threadless. So yeah, I recommend you to try it. Why not? And hope you find this video, guys, very useful. And yeah, I hope you like the video. Please, if you like it, just give me a very good like button, smash it, and comment right below in the description if you have any questions. Share the video with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel to see more and more nice videos like that, secrets no one knows in my channel Traffic Turbo. Hope you have a nice day, guys, and see you soon in the next video. Bye bye.